Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you that you can restart a Realme phone without the power button. So if for some reason you're not able to press the side power key, you can absolutely help yourself by enabling the shortcut menu and restarting your device through a software button. Go into Settings, then enter Accessibility, go to the General Accessibility menu, and turn on the shortcut for it. Once the shortcut appears, tap over here, then choose the power option. As you can see, the power menu gets launched right away from here. Just tap Restart, then confirm your action by tapping Restart again. And that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye.